It's 2 a.m. The house, it was quiet until the chirp. That weak smoke alarm battery you meant to change weeks ago finally gave up. Today's smoke alarms are different though. The new code requires sealed lithium ion battery backup units, designed to last up to 10 years. No chirping, no forgotten batteries, just constant protection. Because when seconds matter, your smoke alarm shouldn't depend on a battery that you forgot to replace again. Upgrading isn't just convenience, it's safety. Call Gladiator Electric today.